Hey guys, welcome to CodeWide, and today we are back again with a question called count all valid pickups delivery options. The another question is code. So basically, what is the question? So they have given n orders, and each order consists of pickup and delivery services, right? So and it's also we said that we have to find the possible outcomes that delivery always comes after the pickup. For example, if we take n value equal to 1, if the order is 1, obviously we know that if order is 1, there will be one pickup and one delivery, right? It's not possible that delivery comes first and pickup will be afterwards, right? So only for this we have only one outcome. For when n equal to 2, we say that pickup 1, pickup 2, then d1, d2, it can be pickup 2, pickup 1, and d2, d1, right? But we have to make sure that pickup comes before delivery. That is, P1, if we have P1, we have to make sure that D1 comes after P1, right? So that's the valid outcome. So in this, the invalid order can be P1, D2, P2, D1. In this, you can see P2 comes before P2. Before the pickup, there is a delivery of P. I mean the order of second one. So it's not possible. So uh, so we are going to solve this. So how we are going to solve it? So for this, we are going to use an easy approach, that is using maths. That is, let's consider we have P1, P2, P3 up to P10. So we know that follows D1, D2, D so on till D10, right? We know that P is always it always comes before P, right? That is P1 comes first and D1 comes after it. So we know that P1 can be placed anywhere, right? P1 can be placed anywhere because we already know that it's already predictable that it comes before D, right? So can we say that the ways of arranging P in the list is nothing but n factorial? Can we say it? Because P1, if there is a group of P1, for example, if it's like P1, P2, P3, and D1, D2, and D3. P1, this we already know that this can be in any fashion, right? Because we know that it should always come at the beginning, and this can come here, this can come here, but we should only make sure that D1 is coming after P1, right? That's it. So the the possible number of outcomes will be n factorial for this. But for D1 it depends, because for D1 we know that it should always come after P1, right? So there is limited possibility. For example, if we have uh, if n equal to 1, we know that P1 and then D1 comes. So total number of outcomes will be 1 for this. If n equal to 3, let's take 2. For this, P1, D1, P2, D2 can be the option, P2, D1, D1, D2, D2 can be the option, D1, D2, D1, D2, they can be the option, right? Is there anything else possible? Is it? Is there anything else possible? No, right? Only three outcomes. So for this, we can see that There are three, right? So when we take n equal to 3, we get 5. Because it's predictable, it always comes after the n factor, that is after the p, right? So for this, can we say that it's always in the form of 2 into n minus 1 form? Because when n equal to 1, we can say that the total number of outcomes is 1. When n equal to 2, 2 to the 4 minus 1 is, that is 3. When it is 3, we get 5, 3, right? So we just have to mix both of it. That is, we have to say, we have to just say p outcomes into d outcomes. That is, that is n factorial into 2 into n minus 1. This is the final answer. This is just a small logic, right? Actually, here using the dynamic programming for this, that is also fine, but this is more optimized and it's very easy than dynamic approach. So let's go to the coding section. So we are taking answer variable, that is answer equal to 1, and also make sure that they have given written it modulo 10 power 9 plus 7. So we should also take mod equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Is it done? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Right now it's at 5. So we are taking a for loop which says that I equal to 1 to I less than equal to n I plus plus. We say that answer into I. This is basic. This is basically the n factorial which we are talking about, calculating the p, right? So, and we also say that mod equal to mod, because if there is a larger value, this is not going to be divided by mod. So after this, what we do is we say answer into equal to 2 into I minus 1, and we also say that mod equal to mod. This is basically for uh, this is basically for p. This is basically for d. What we are seeing here, right? So after doing this, just return answer. That's it. Let's run it. Let's work. Let's submit. Yes, it does work. So one takeaway from this question can be that always, if, even though it's an hard level question, always look for something which is more small and optimized and more logical, right? So there exists there for many hard level question. If you browse in LeetCode, you will get many hard level question with a simple logic, mathematical logic. So always just don't seeing it's an hard level, don't don't be panicked. Just see if there is some any logic related to maths or anything, right? So yeah, that is it from today's video, and there are a lot of videos about it. So there our channel, do to check this out too, and yeah, stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, and yeah, keep coding, stay happy, bye.